The 2020 Tokyo Olympics are set to open soon, and to celebrate, Google has added a little Easter egg to their own Easter egg within Chrome. You may know about this game called Dino Run. It's available in Chrome. It typically shows up whenever you do not have internet access, but you're trying to load a website. I was actually thinking about doing a video specifically on this right here to let everyone know you can go into a Chrome tab, type out Chrome : // Dino, and press enter, and it should let you go into a Dino Run game, which is just a more convenient way of accessing this little Easter egg instead of forcing you to, say for example, enable airplane mode. So if you're running the latest version of Chrome, which as of recording this I believe is version 92, it just received a new update. Whenever you start playing the Dino Run Easter egg game, you should eventually start to see little Olympic torches right there. And whenever you do, if you tap on one of those, you can see the game will morph into an alternate version of that game. In this instance, it was for swimming, but when we reload this tab and start the game again, eventually we will see another torch, and if we tap that, if we go into that, it will morph into another alternate version of the Dino Run tab game. And as you can see, you'll stick with that particular game until you load out of it. So if you find one that you particularly like, you can stick with it by just, again, reloading that game. But there are multiple of these available, and you can try to get another one since they are random just by reloading the page, finding the first torch, and then running into it. I want to say there are 5 or 6 of these, and there may be a lot more. These are just the ones that people are sharing with on Reddit. And you may not always see the torch at the beginning. You may have to go through a few obstacles before you eventually hit a torch. So that it will take you into that alternate version of Dino Run in celebration of the Tokyo Olympic Games. It's unclear how long this alternate version of the Dino Run game will be available. The Olympics are said to be closing on August 9th, so I would bet that it will be removed somewhere around then. For now, definitely check out these alternate versions of the Dino Run game. Let me know which ones you have found in the comment section below. And go ahead and share your top score as well.